Class 18, control of two lamps and two sockets. So you have four switches there. Okay, one, two, three, four. Two switches for two lamps and two switches for two sockets. Very simple but time consuming. Neutral is connected to one end of each lamp directly. Okay, and left pin of the socket. See, earth pin, you should assume that it is top. So you should see from left side. So this is left to the neutral. Okay, left to the neutral directly. Phase is given to one end of each switch. See, all the switches one end are shorted and given to phase directly via fuse. Then free end of each switch is connected to free end of respective lamps. This is the free end of the lamp, lower one, connected to the free end of the switch. Similarly for S2 and L2. Then about right end of the socket to free end of its switch, because the phase point of the socket is right one. See a socket, okay, earth left neutral, right, it is phase. Okay, on the whole, okay, see here, earth neutral and line means phase. Usually green wire is used for earth. Red or brown is used for phase or live terminal. It is also called as line. Sometimes line 1, line 1, line 2, or line neutral or phase neutral. Okay, right. So then the earth wire is connected to third wire, is connected to third point, third hole is connected to earth. Actually, both will be shorted together and connected to earth. We can see here. Both earth points are shorted together and brought to the earth. See here. Earth is given to, see, it has come like this, and to both the earth points. Neutral is directly given to one end of the lamp, right end. Here left end. You can give to any end, one end. And also the same neutral is given to the left holes of each socket. You see. So you have to here connect four wires. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then from S1 it should go to lamp 1. So free end of S1 should go to free end of lamp 1. That is, left one was free, right we had taken it for neutral. We can connect left right however you want, no problem. Similarly, free end of S2 will go to the free end of uh, L2. Here I have written N means neutral. This has come from neutral. This has come from switch. It's a switch S2. S1 means which has come from switch, N means it has come from neutral. You need not write S1 N and NS2 here. No need to write. Rest everything is as previous. Then connect saddles. Junction box, elbow, round block, lamp holder, everything. So independent control. So for all the lamps, see all the tables are independent. Means whatever may be condition of lamp 1, lamp 2, sockets 1, okay, socket 2 will work like this. Whatever may be condition of lamp 2, socket 1, socket 2, lamp 1 will work like this. Independent of S2, S3, S4. S1 will work, lamp 1 will work when S1 is switched on. Lamp 1 depends, condition of lamp 1 depends only on S1, not on S2, S3, S4. That is why we call this as independent control. Okay, means control of lamp from only one place, one switch. Right.